Let us make a clap switch now. The clap switch is for those lazy ones like who doesn't want to get up and switch off light. Instead of you just make a noise and it operates. Okay. So it's a simple one. So we have a microphone here. This converts the clap sound to an electrical signal which drives this transistor to on. Now as a result, this further drives the IC. It gives an output here and lights up the LED. Right. So let us do the circuit. So we are doing it on one side of the breadboard. I got a latch circuit that is part of this that will do. So that's why I'm giving ample space here. So I'm connecting the IC 555 here. 4 and 8 we are interconnecting. Pin number 6 and 7 there. So I'm shorting it here. And put a 10 microfarad capacitor to the negative from the same point. Put the positive there and negative to the negative. And from the same point put another 100k ohm resistor to the positive. A 100k ohm resistor to the positive. Now pin number 1 we have to ground it. And similarly pin number 4 and 8 you interconnected. You connect to the positive one. Pin number 3 we can put a 220 ohm resistor. And this pin number 3 I'm putting connecting an LED there, and the other point of the LED that I'm connecting to the negative line. The input side we have the BC547 we need to connect here. The emitter is connected to the negative power line. From the collector 1 k ohm resistor to the positive power line. So in fact from that point you connect to pin number 2 of the IC, which is the input signal. Okay. I am connecting to pin number 2. From the base you put, this is the base, the middle one is put. So 47k to the positive power line. So now we can connect the microphone. I got the microphone here. The microphone positive should go to the same point, that is base. And the negative, the other end should go to the negative. Connection is complete. Now we can connect the pulse. See, when a clap sound comes, the light comes on. But like I said, it goes off. That's why we need another circuit. This is a latch circuit. We are using 2 transistors. Now latch circuit is like when the signal output comes here, okay, so it drives one transistor, so the LED comes on. Now it stays on as long as till the time the next clap comes. The next clap comes, it turns that off. So that's what it's latch. Because earlier we have seen that in our circuit, whenever the sound is there, that LED comes on. So that's not what we want. We want something to remain on the first clap. And probably that if you want to switch off, you do another clap and that should go off. So let us do that part. We have 2 BC547. I'm just connecting the 2 points and just giving some more space for the ease of connection, right? The collector has to be connected to the positive with the 3.3k. This one also connecting to the positive. From the collector of one to the other that we are putting a 47k, interconnecting it. This from the collector to the base of this. So this collector to the base connected. Similarly we can connect this collector to the base of this. From base we are putting 100k to ground, both the bases. Connected a 100k there. Also we also connected 100k there. Now if you see, diodes are to be connected from base to one point. If you see, the positive is this and this negative. Diode from the base connecting to one point here. Similarly for the other transistor also. I understand it's a bit difficult. Now the same point we need to connect a 220k ohm from the respective collector. Yeah, both emitters we need to ground. both emitters grounded, right? The output can be taken from one of the point using a R220 ohm. The collector, I'm just keeping it here, right? That's our output line. So you put a 220 ohm there. We can connect another LED. This we can connect back to negative. Put the two capacitors to a common point. Just be careful that you don't put on the point where you connected the LED and just putting it to the next one, right? Yeah. So that point is over. Now we need a jumper from the pin 3. Okay, pin number 3 of the right to this point where the capacitor is meeting. So your wiring is over. Now we can test it. This comes on momentarily and triggers up. See, that remains on. So we can connect any load like fan or light, you can connect it here. Now it remains on and next clap it goes off.